On a plane to Montenegro in the month of May. I'm gonna see those landmarks, gonna make my day. From ancient walls to towers standing tall, every corner calling me, can't wait to see them all. By the sparkling sea where the waves do play, blue horizon, endless skies, washing cares away. With toes in sand and wind and in my hair, the Montenegro breeze is more than I could bear. Monuments and mountains calling my name, sea breeze whispers about this magical game. Streets and treasures waiting for me, Montenegro dream is where I wanna be. I wanna be. Gonna climb those peaks with the sun on my face, trekking through the trails in this wild, untamed place. With every step I take, my spirit feels so free. In the embrace of nature, that's where I wanna be. Feasting on delights that I've never tried before. From savory to sweet, I'm craving even more. Local flavors dancing, bursting on my tongue. Every bite a journey, and then I'm feeling young. Monuments and mountains calling my name, sea breeze whispers about this magical game. Streets and treasures waiting for me, Montenegro dream is where I wanna be. I wanna be. Be. Time slips away like sand in the wind. Moments we treasure, they fade and rescind, but echoes remain in the corners of our mind. Whispers of yesterday we leave behind. We go, we return like the moon and the tide, lost in the cycle where shadows reside, fading away just to come back again. In this dance of time, we're bound to remain. Seasons will change like pages we turn, lessons we learn, some hearts will burn, but every goodbye is a promise unspoken that we'll find our way, even if we're broken. We go, we return like the moon and the tide, lost in the cycle where shadows reside, fading away just to come back again. In this dance of time, we're bound to remain. Round and round, we're caught in the flow. What's meant to stay will always know. In the quiet of night, in the dawn's early light, we'll find each other after every flight. We go, we return like the moon and the tide, lost in the cycle where shadows reside, fading away just to come back again. In this dance of time, we're bound to remain. In this dance of time, we're bound to remain. reaching for something that I can't contain. A distant horizon where the silence prevails, and the winds whisper secrets of battles we failed. But I'm still holding on to the edge of a dream, where the stars in the sky aren't as far as they seem. In the dark we collide with the ghosts of our fears, and the shadows we chase are the ones that we fear. But I'll fight the storm, I'll dance with the rain, I'll stand in the fire and break through the pain. When the mountains rise and the heavens fall, I'll face the impossible and I'll rise through it all. In the depths of the void where the light disappears, I'm searching for answers in the dust of my tears. A reflection of hope in the mirror of time. But the path that I follow is a steep, endless climb. But I'm still holding on to the edge of the night, where the dawn isn't lost and the shadows take flight. In the dark we collide with the echoes we make, and the silence we fear is the breath we can't take. But I'll fight the storm, I'll dance with the rain, I'll stand in the fire and break through the pain. When the mountains rise and the heavens fall, I'll face the impossible and I'll rise through it all. There's a light in the distance, a glimmer so faint, a promise of something that words can't explain. Though the road is uncertain and the end is unknown, I'll walk through the shadows, I won't walk alone. So I'll fight the storm, I'll dance with the rain, I'll stand in the fire and break through the in the still of the night, where the echoes remain, I'm reaching for something that I can't contain. A distant horizon where the silence prevails, and the winds whisper secrets of battles we failed. But I'm still holding on to the edge of a dream, where the stars in the sky aren't as far as they seem. In the dark we collide with the ghosts of our fears, and the shadows we chase are the ones I'm searching for answers.